Good morning. Today we are prepare the footing, this mat type of footing in the safe software. So for modeling this one, we have to decide that it is 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meter, then it is 18 meter length on this side and this is 18 meters. It is 18 into 18 meters. So we have to model this. So for modeling purpose, we can choose this new model properties. In this new model, we have to choose and design code IS456. Unit is currently matrix, then it is OK for us. And modify and show properties in this minimum cover slabs because this is footing. So as per the IS456, in the footing it is clear cover, top and bottom it is 50, 50 and this is 20 mm. We decided that we use preferred bar sizes 20 mm. So now it is OK and then click on grid only and grid only because this is the type. So it is 18 meters. So we required it is 18. So we require 19 grid lines. And in x direction and in y direction it is 90 and the grid spacing is 1 in x and y direction both. You click on OK. So after this, so we want to prepare this C1, C2, C3, C4, these columns. Okay. So to prepare these columns, first we have to define material type is, we require the material type is M40 and HYSD 500. For this HYSD M40 and HYSD 500, we go through these details. Okay, so this add new materials in this material type M40 and the material type is concrete type. So in this we have to give 25 and modulus of elasticity it is 31622.7 31622.7 and this coefficient is 0.123 55 this one and the concrete Q property is 40. So we have to match this 40, this one and 3160. Okay, now click on OK. Again, new material type and type HYSD 500 and this is for rebar. In the rebar, we give this one 77 2 into 10 raised to power 5. So here it is 77 2 into 10 raised to power 5. Here it is, the value is 500 and 545. Fy yield stress is 500 and for tensile stress it is 545 and then click on OK and then click on OK. Okay, now we define slab properties, add new property and the slab property slab 1 and we choose M40 concrete and give the value it is 600 and then click on OK and then click on OK. Okay, we give slab materials, slab properties. Now the column properties. For the column properties in this we required these type of columns. Here listed 500 into 500. These are 600, 600. These are 500. Then 600, 6 and 7. Yes. Okay. Now click this and read this. C1, C2, C3, C4. It is this. It is okay. 500. It's also 500. Then it is okay. Then 600, 600, C666, this 600 into 600. So because there is all different dead loads and live loads, these are different types, so we consider these things, or we give two types of column, C1 500 to 500 and C2 600 into 600. So it goes on this process. Add new property, column first, and M40, this is rectangular type column, and give it as 500 into 500, so it's a square column, and then click on OK. Now column 2, column number 2, select M40, and it is 600 into 600. Okay, now click on OK. So there is two type of columns, then click on OK. Now define column properties, slab properties, column property, soil subgrade properties. Soil 1, modify and show properties, because it is 300 at the bearing capacity of this type of footing, it is 300 km per meter square. Allowable Saturn is 1, so it is 10 raised to the minus 2. 300 divided by 10 raised to the minus 1 is 3 into 10 raised to the power 5, 4, so it is 3. So we convert as 3 and as soil compression only, and then click on OK and click on OK. It's a soil subgrade property type defined. Now define, it is OK, soil subgrade properties, column properties, slab properties. Now load pattern, dead load and live load, then it is OK. Then see about load cases, dead load and live load, linear static, then it is OK. And then go on load case combinations. So add new combination, combination 1, dead load, linear, add 1.5. Now it is click on this live load, then it is 1.5 and only for strength purpose, then click on OK. Add new combo, combo number 2, and click on that. It is 1 scale factor, and live load, it is 1, then it is OK for us, and it is for the service property. So we click on both 3, and these 3 we have selected, and click on OK. And now the combinations are also assigned, and this, so by this all the data sets are completed. So now we draw the slab, draw slab areas. So click on this and choose the exterior slab 1, the property is slab 1, then it is OK. Click on this one, click this 18 meter, and then close. So this, by this way we generated, OK, cross this one and press escape. OK, now go on edit menu. OK, firstly click this, select one area, 4 edges selected, then go on edit menu and go on edit area and click on expand and shrink area. So offset value is, we required 2 meters, then click on OK. So by this way our footing slab is drawn. After this we have to draw columns. So for draw columns, click on draw, select column 1 and column 2. So these are all are the column 1. See, column 1, these are the column 1 and these are the column 2. These are C6, C7, C10 and C11. These 4 columns are 600 and 600 types. So we click on this First we click over here, one column, Control Z, column number 1, property above, property below it is none, property above it is column number 1, property below it is 0, property height above it is 2, and then draw column number 1 first. Now 6 meter distance, it is 6 meter, C2, again 6 meter distance, it is C3, and again 6 meter distance, it is this one. Now in this side, go on 6 meter, click on this, then again 6 meter distance, click here, then again 6 meter, click here, 6 meter distance, click here, 6 meter distance, click here, 6 meter distance, click here, again 6 meter distance, click here, and 6 meter distance, click here. Now choose column number 2. So column number 2, here click C6, then C7, C this one, and this one. So all the column plan is ready. Now click on escape. Now columns are designed, these are designs, all the pattern is designed, so we have to click here, one point is selected, we don't want to select point, and to select this column, okay, one area is selected. Now 4 edges and one area is selected, press escape, control this, select here. Now footing is selected, go on assign and slab data. In the slab data, go on the properties, slab 1, okay. Now it is slab 1 type, footing type. These are the columns, these are the slab 1, okay. If you want to see the extruded view, click on this and click on OK. Show this 3D model, and now it is okay for you. This is the footing slab and this is the column, all are well defined. So again go on XY and reduce this extruded view, clear this extruded view. Now this is slab 1, this is columns, and all are rest. So assign slab data, property modifier vertical, we don't want to these, support data, and in the support data the soil property soil 1, and click on OK. Okay, it is the soil 1 and slabs, it is clearly decided. If you want to see the soil properties, escape, click here, one area selected, assign support data, soil properties, modify and show properties, so it is OK. Click here OK and process, it is OK. We define the soil properties and all. Now we have to draw design strips. So for designing these strips, layers this, and it is 4 meter, so convert, start width left, then the width left is 2 meters, this is 2 meters, this is also 2 meters, This is also 2 meters, and this is A type. Then it is okay. Column strips. We have to draw these column strips. Expand the view. 1 second. Okay. Now, is this A type? Draw design strips. Now, these are the for draw design strip. Strip A, start with 4, 4, 4. This, then click on draw design strips here. Then, so we have to select these points. We all increase the size. Okay, by using pan option, we cover this, and now at this point. Escape. Select this point. Now it is perfect point. Now click here. This. Okay, sorry. Draw. Draw design strips. Here, column A, strip A, near this column strips. Click here. This one. Okay, now it's okay for me, and click here. Okay. Now right click. Again, select this point and this one. Right click. By using pan option, cover this here. Now click here. And click here. The right click. Click here. Click here. Right click. By using this. So okay, all the strips are generated by now the B option. So for B option, we have to reduce the size. Okay, by using pan option. Then it's okay. Now drawing these lines, we have to select these points. This one and this going up to this line. Click. Right click. Now this is the column and point. Okay. Now select this point. Right click. Now select this point. Escape. Now right click. But this way, choose the appropriate point. Now all the design strips are generated. Click on escape, and in this extruded way, click on all these things, click on OK, and these are generated. These are our design strips. One, this one two, this one three. 1, 2, 3. These were the our all design strips. Okay. Now again click on these things and remove. Okay. So it is perfect. Okay. Escape this. Okay. So our properties this all are given. Now right click on strips and change the rebar material to 500 and click on OK and click on OK. Now second one, change this design strips, click on HOSD5, click on OK, click on OK. Now select this one, this design strip, click on strip HOSD 500 material, click on OK, click on OK. Now this one, the design strip, click on OK, this one, and click on OK. Now this one is our other design strip. Choose SUISD 500, click on OK, then click on OK. Now this one, choose this one and buy this HYZ 500, click on OK, click on OK. Now tools are left. This one HYZ 500, click on OK, click on OK. Now the last one. $500, click on OK, then click on OK. Now for this one, the footing slab type in the design, go the rebar material, change HYSD, click on OK. These are the load, there is no load, geometry, it is this one, just click on OK. Now for the so reduce the size. Now we have to small this one and open this bar, reduce this one and give these properties to these all. C1, C2, C, who is C1? This is C1, C2, C3, C4. So according to this, we have to give the, so we have to select this point, click this, one point is selected, go on assign menu, load data, point load. It is dead load type. What is the value of dead load? It is 1850 and the column size is 500 into 500. 500 into 500, then click on OK. Again, because there is no selected area, now again select this, or by select get previous selection, go on assign menu, load data, point load, it's live, and choose 797.6 500 into 500 and click on OK. By this method we have to give, right now only we give first. Now 1 point selected, go to assign menu, load data, point load, choose dead load. The value is 3013.3. These data we get by the ETIP solution. Click on OK. Now again select get previous selection, go on assign menu, load data, point loads, go to live load, gravity, then select 1437 and 500 to 500 and click on OK. Now select C3 column, this one, go to assign, load data, point load, it is OK. We give 1302.2, click on OK. Again selected this one, assign, load data, point load, change this as a dead load and type 2760.8, then click on OK. Now the number for this column, click on this, assign, load data, point load. So go on proceed, we select the column point, 1 point selected, go on assign, load data, point load. So here is live, so we select C10 and 11, 8, 9, 10, 11. So C10 live load is 2644, click on this, 2644, click on OK. Again select this, assign, load data, point load, change this to dead and the value is 5154.6, 5154.6, then click on OK. Now this is the last one, we have to assign the load data, point loads, dead load, the value is 5191.3, so 5191.3, then click on OK. And now again select this point, go on assign, load data, point loads, and change this date to live and gravity. In this gravity we have to the C12 1425.6, 425.6, then click on OK. By this way we give all the dead load and live loads to these things. So now we go to analyze, run analysis. So we have to save the file. So wet foundation, click on save, analyzing 100%. Now it is done. So it is this way. Okay, display, sorry, run analysis and design. So it is going on the analysis, all the analysis, and so we choose this. So it is great, some columns punching shear values are greater than 1, so the slab is fail. So unlock the model, click on OK, go to the define slab properties, modify, show slab properties, and 900. Click on OK. Click on OK. So the properties are changed, and go and run an analysis and design. Now it is OK. So display the punching shear values. Show punching shear values. Still all are less than 1, but still these four columns punching shear value are greater than 1. So again unlock the model, click on OK, go to the define slab properties, modify and show properties, increase the size to 1200. OK, then click on OK, again run analysis and design. So by this again, now all the values of punching shear values are less than 1. Now our slab design is safe. Show crack widths, slab bottom face. If you want to see by the dead load on this, apply. It is like this. These are the crack width, then it is proven, then it is 195 into 10 to the minus 8. So it is 0.195 mm. Okay, now for the live load, see bottom face, apply this one. For the top face, apply, it is this one. Now for the load combination, for the two, at the bottom face, apply, the value is 0.325 mm. For the top face, the maximum value, apply, this 130. Okay, so for the combination number 1, bottom face, it is also increasing, it is 0.5 to 0. So the blue one here is the correct width is this, it is very similar, smaller values, it is okay. Display, show deform shape for the dead load or anything, apply. So these are the deform shape, we get all these things. If you want to show loads, show on deform shape, show slab forces, stresses, strip forces, lowercase, layer A, layer B. If you want to see both at a time, same time, show this one, apply. These are the strip forces. So if you want to see for this is for live load, click apply. If you want to see shear forces, click on apply. These are the shear forces. If you want to see these all for combination, for the combination number 1, 1.5 into 1.5, click apply. These all are the similar things. If you want to see these slab forces, show slab design, if you want to see crack width. Now run the detailing part. All three options are ticked. So these are the detailing part. In this, go on this slab views and individual slab view in the slab one, because we have this is the rebar plan. It is always opening here. Top rebar plan. This is the top rebar plan. If you want to increase the size, it is like this. Here it is mentioned that 10 plus 10 plus, this is one. Okay, this reinforcement area is given. Bottom rebar plan. Okay, rebar plan all bars at the same time. This one. Top rebar plan all bars. Okay, bottom rebar all plan, top rebar plan all bars, sections. You want to see in this section, this is the reinforcement profile. Okay, and this is also by this you have to see the detailing problems, models, Here where all are these raw properties beams. If there's no beam, so here it is single reinforcing bar sizes, which type of bars are here, so it is given here. Okay, by this you have to know the load combination, all are defined here. Load cases, all things are defined here. These are the objects, design strips objects. These are all these point objects. All are defined here. So in the display, if you want to see some kuch undeformed shape, loads, deformed shape, reactions, strip forces, slab designs. So it is here. By this, we we design the mat footing in the SIP software. Thank you for the video.